Let's go!
Little red tractor, he's king of the fields, getting his jobs done with Stan at the wheel. He's not the biggest, but he's a hero. Little red tractor, let's go! With Sparky and Nipper and Big Blue too, and lots more friends in tow. Little red tractor, let's go!
Morning, Mr. Jones. You getting the hay in?
Certainly am. It's dried beautifully in this sunny weather.
Better hurry, though. Looks as if it could rain any minute.
Ah, no problem. Not with Big Blue on the job.
Well, good luck. Morning, Nicola.
Hi, Stan.
Hello, you two. What can I do for you?
Fill us up, would you, Walter?
No problem.
Thanks. See you later.
Yeah, see ya. Oh, come on, Big Blue. What's the matter with you?
Got a problem, Mr. Jones?
Oh, this is so embarrassing, Stan. I can't for the life of me get him going. He was fine a moment ago, and now... Oh, this would...
On the potting shed, on the stable, or on the twisty tree? On the twisty tree! That's right! Come on.
Happen on the day I'm trying to get the hay in before it rains.
It'll be raining soon, that's for sure. Why don't you let us help? We'll take the wagon and get the hay while you sort out what's wrong with Big Blue.
Really? You'll help? Oh, thank you, Stan.
Why don't we see if Ryan and Amy would like to help with the hay? Hey, watch out!
Oh, good, eh?
What's good exactly, Stumpy?
Well, my emergency stop. Nearly perfect that time. Oh, got hold of a big hay wagon, I see. Very fancy.
It belongs to Mr. Jones. Big Blue's broken down, so we're getting the hay in for him. I'm just off to see if Ryan and Amy would like to help. You be careful, Stumpy. Don't overdo it.
Oh, don't you worry about me, Stan. I'm getting the hang of Nipper now. Bye!
Look, it's Stan and Little Red Tractor.
Hiya!
How would you both like to help with some haymaking?
You bet.
Jump up, then.
Stumpy, I'm busy enough without having you bounce...
A flower, a lily pad, or an apple? A lily pad, of course!
...bouncing around my garden.
That wasn't bouncing. That was my emergency stop. Now, rumour has it, you and Big Blue here could do with some help. And I have come to provide it.
Really? You know a lot about tractors.
No.
It's going to be one of those days.
Right, let's get this lot back to Beach Farm.
Try more throttle.
I've tried more throttle.
Ah, try less throttle then.
Oh, yes. This is useless.
How's it going?
It isn't. Darned if I know what to do, Stan.
This could be a job for Nicola, you know.
I think you're right.
OK, we'll unload and then get her.
Now, why didn't you think of that, Mr. Jones?
Hello again, Walter. We've got an urgent message for Nicola.
Nicola? Well, she's out, I'm afraid. Not due back for a couple of hours. Anything I can help with?
Big Blue's broken down. Can you have a look at him?
Yeah, no problem. Let me get my toolbox and I'll be ready to go.
Thanks, Walter. What about the garage?
Oh, I put up a close sign. This shouldn't take long. Nicola's busy in Babblebrook, so I've come instead.
You've certainly got a very smart toolkit. Thank you. Does it ever get used?
Oh, now and again. Now and again.
Well, you won't be needing my help now, so I shall go and help with the hay-making.
Yes, of course. Oh, I say, Walter, you don't think something might have gone wrong with the Brackington Thornbury fuel injection system, do you? I sincerely hope not. Whatever that is.
Well done, everyone. Keep going.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Ah, Stumpy's come to help. Good-o. Another pair of hands.
Another pair of feet, anyway.
Well... Oh, this is getting us nowhere. Ah, no wonder he's left something out. Walter, you've forgotten this.
That's my lunchbox.
Oh no, they're back again and Big Blue's still not working. This is so embarrassing. Better make myself scarce.
Any luck?
Afraid not. To tell the truth, I'm utterly flummoxed.
I bet Nicola will know what to do. Stumpy, we're going to unload and then go back for the last of the hay. Would you go and see if Nicola's back yet?
Certainly will, Stan. We're on our way. Whoa! Nicola? Nicola!
Hello, Stumpy.
Oh, thank goodness you're back.
Are you starting a new fashion or something?
Is it me and Billy, me and Horace, or me and Mimi? Me and Mimi! That's right! Thanks!
Looks a bit like it, doesn't it? Now, help me out of this. Then you'd better get the beach farm right away. Your dad could use a hand.
We've nearly done it. Keep going. I think we're just going to make it before the rain comes.
I don't know. Boy, I can't think of anything else to try.
Hello there, Mr. Jones.
Hello, Stumpy.
Hi, Dad. How are you doing?
Not good, Nicola. I'm blowed if I can see anything wrong with him.
Mind if I have a look?
Feel free.
Mr. Jones? Mr. Jones?
He's behind here.
Yes. I was just checking the lawn. For grass. Yes, it's good. It's plenty of grass here.
Ah, there you are. When did you last fill Big Blue up with fuel?
No idea. Ages ago, I guess.
That's what I thought. Looks to me as if his fuel tank's run dry. That's why he won't start.
I don't believe it. How could I be so stupid?
Righto, start him up.
Thank you, Nicola. I'm so sorry, everyone. I've been very silly.
So have I, for that matter.
It's easily done. Anyway, Dad, Big Blue won't need another service for ages now that you've stripped him down and rebuilt him.
That's true. Thank you, Walter. I have been a complete nuisance and wasted everybody's time today. I don't know how to thank you all.
We could all get out of the rain for a start.
Well, everyone, Big Blue's filled up, and now so are we.
Yeah, you bet.
And the hay is safely in. I want to thank you all for helping, but especially those who made it possible. Stan and Little Red Tractor!
Well done, Little Red Tractor.
a day's work. And we've enjoyed it, haven't we, little red tractor?